Hello, this is Joe with i5 Dodge. Just going to show you how to lock in your four-wheel drive on your 2019 to 2021 Jeep Renegade. Right down here is the console. You have auto, which will automatically engage, snow, sand, mud, and lock. Easy enough. All you do is turn the dial and it automatically engages. So first you have snow, which starts out in second gear all the time. Also same with sand. It changes the parameters of the front and the back. Mud, what it does is actually sends more power to the front than it does on the rear. The auto feature automatically engages four-wheel drive if it feels front tire slippage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for any more videos or any more help.